Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to remove business portfolio on Facebook Meta Business Suite. To delete a business portfolio, you have to simply go to your Meta Business Suite, and once you get there, make sure you are already logged in with your account and you have also access to that portfolio that you would like to delete. Now on the left side, you will see the name of your portfolio. In case you cannot see, you can click on this option. Then all the business portfolios will come up. Then the one that you would like to choose, you can just simply click onto it, or you can also click onto that settings icon which is along that portfolio. Once you click onto it, it will take you to this page. Now once you get there, on the left side we have this option which is business portfolio info. You have to click on this option. Once you click onto it, then on the right side you will see this option which is permanently delete business. Just simply click onto this option, and after that click on delete portfolio. If you would like to read this option, you can also read it. Just simply click onto that one, then it will just take a while, and after that just simply click on back to Facebook and it will just take you back to your Facebook account. So after 24 hours your business portfolio will automatically gets deleted. So that's how you can remove a business portfolio from Facebook Meta Business Suite. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. In case you're not subscribed, make sure to do it for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.